Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy collections, pure khadi with hand weaving jamdani work and malmal cotton with beautiful printed only for you, and all are summer friendly. So let me display. This one, very elegant color combination, soft, comfortable, pure handloom khadi cotton with heavy hand weaving floral motif jamdani work. Very elegant looks, best for your office wear, daily wear. This one, full base part, premium quality, soft one, summer friendly. This portion, upper portions border, beautiful stripes, fine weaving stripes design border, and this one, pallu portions, very nice and smart looks, simple stripes pattern highlighted pallu, and this one border portions, bottom border, this one is border portions, beautiful fine floral motif hand weaving jamdani work. This portion is border portions, very nice looks, beautiful contrast color hand weaving jamdani work, fully hand weaving design and very soft, comfortable, very elegant color combinations. Also gray base, and this one full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. Very trendy look, same material. Today I have draped different color, only black color, and this one is gray color, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customized stitching your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also, same material, same pattern, different color only, highlighted border, and very soft one, summer friendly, very elegant looks, best for your office wear, professional wear. Very nice elegant looks and soft premium quality khadi cotton base. This portion is contrast color, fine stripes pallu, and this one border portions, very nice looks. This one is highlighted floral motif weaving jamdani weaving border, very nice one. This one is base part, and this one is border. Exclusive, trendy and elegant looks, and very nice color combination, soft sober looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one is upper portion border, also fine weaving design stripes. Very trendy, fresh looks, very elegant one. Cream shade base and premium quality khadi cotton with beautiful weaving, heavy weaving border. Same saree today I have draped different color, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one bright color combination, same material, same pattern, bright blue color, blue shade with beautiful weaving border design, same weaving pattern, very nice trendy looks, bright fresh color combination. This one is upper portions border, contrast color, fine weaving stripes, and pallu also contrast color, smart stripes pattern pallu. This portion is pallu, and this one highlighted border. Very trendy looks and soft, comfortable, summer friendly, smart looks, smart and bright. This one is fully fine hand weaving floral motif jamdani work, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful color combinations, yellow shade with contrast color weaving border, same material, khadi cotton base, very nice trendy looks. This one is full base part, bright yellow shade, and this one is upper border, fine contrast color weaving stripes design, hand weaving stripes design, and this one pallu portion, fine contrast color, simple but contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu, very elegant bright fresh looks. And this one border portions, highlighted heavy worked border, floral motif hand weaving jamdani work border design, very trendy and fresh looks, fully hand weaving design. And this one is full base part, bright color combinations. This one running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright daily looks. And this one, very elegant one, white base with contrast border, same material, same pattern, different color only, pure white base, khadi cotton, very elegant fresh looks. This one is upper border portions, fully fine hand weaving stripes design border, and this one full base part, very soft one, summer friendly, based for your daily wear, office wear. This one pallu portions, fully fine simple stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very comfortable one, and this one is full base part with highlighted fine weaving design border, fully hand weaving heavy jamdani work border design, and this one is full base part, very trendy fresh looks, white base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding elegant looks. Very beautiful one, khadi cotton base, fine weaving stripes design, very elegant fresh looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart one. This one is full base part, fully stripes design, and every stripes are weaving stripes design, very elegant fresh looks, gray base, multi-color contrast color, fine weaving stripes, all are weaving stripes design all over base. And this one border portions, contrast color stripes with highlighted temple pattern, fine weaving design, highlighted border, very nice trendy looks, and fully hand weaving design, very smart fresh looks, khadi cotton base, soft one, summer friendly. And this one pallu portions, beautiful same pattern, stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very elegant looks, based for your daily wear. This one is highlighted border, very nice one, and this one is all over base and very comfortable one, summer friendly, based for your daily wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks, exclusive daily looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one same material, same pattern, only different color, fresh yellow shade, yellow color with beautiful stripes design, and all stripes are weaving stripes, very elegant looks. And this one is full base part, soft one, summer friendly, khadi cotton base, and this one border portions, contrast color stripes with highlighted temple pattern weaving design border work, and this one is full base part, very soft, summer friendly, smart fresh looks. This one pallu portions, same pattern, contrast line stripes pallu, and this one full base part very elegant look, summer friendly, soft, comfortable, and all over base weaving stripes design, highlighted weaving stripes, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very bright color combinations, very nice looks, based for your daily wear, bright color, very nice looks, khadi cotton base, and the full base part is fine weaving stripes design, multi-color with fine weaving stripes. These are stripes pattern and fully weaving stripes design all over base, and bright color combinations. This portion is border portions, contrast color stripes with temple pattern, fine weaving highlighted design. This portion is weaving design, this portion is weaving design, contrast color stripes, and this one all over base part, fine weaving stripes design, fully hand weaving design, very elegant looks, fresh bright one, based for your office wear, professional wear, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one pallu portions, contrast stripes pattern pallu, very trendy one and soft, summer friendly, based for your summer wear, regular wear. This one is full piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, different color, only very nice color combinations, bright fresh looks. This one full base part, This one is full base part, multi-color seam weaving stripes design. This portion is border portions, contrast color stripes with highlighted weaving lines, temple pattern lines, and this portion is border full base part, fine weaving design work all over base, very trendy and bright color combinations, multi-color stripes. This one is pallu portion. And this one, full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base, very trendy, fresh one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving stripes. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. Very beautiful elegant color combinations, white base with contrast weaving, fine stripes with contrast color border, very nice trendy looks. This one, full base part. This one is full base part, fine stripes pattern all over base, premium quality khadi cotton. And this one, border portions contrast color with fine weaving stripes design, border design, and all over base also stripes work, and fully fine weaving stripes. These are weaving stripes, fully hand weaving design, very fresh looks, based for your daily wear hand weaving. Trendy looks, soft, summer friendly, smart looks. This one is contrast color, highlighted pallu, and this one is base part, very nice fresh looks. And this one, full base part. This one is full all over base part, very trendy looks, cotton fabric, khadi cotton. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. And now I will display some exclusive printed malmal cotton collections, and all are premium quality, soft, summer friendly, very soft one, based for your summer wear. This one is bright color combinations, bathni butta printed one, fully hand bathni print, and bright color combinations, very demanding, also trendy one. This one, pallu portions fully Sivori Bathni printed highlighted pallu, and all over base part bright color with butta printed one, Bathni butta, and fully hand process, hand Bathni printed one. And this one is all over base. This one is plain running blouse piece, and this one is fully printed. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. So, very beautiful color combinations, bright black shade, malmal cotton with print, very trendy looks. This one, full base part, very smart one, black base and lahariya pattern, contrast white printed, very nice looks. This one is pallu portions, fully lahariya pattern, printed pallu, and this one, all over beautiful smart looks, pattern malmal cotton with print. And this one is border portion, and this portion, upper base part, and this one is split section, white base with printed on. This portion is split section, and this one is upper base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and I will suggest this cotton fabric painted contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, very beautiful color combinations, bright one, malmal cotton based for your daily wear, office wear, smart looks. This one is bright color, and this one, full base part is beautiful ajrak printed one. This one is pallu portions, beautiful ajrak printed pallu, and malmal cotton, soft premium quality, feather like soft. And this one, border portions, beautiful printed border, and this one is full base part, lahariya pattern printed one, very trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart daily looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And every day we are uploading new collections to our website, so keep browsing our website daily. And this one also, very bright fresh color, green shade, parrot green shade, contrast border. And this one in a full base part, very trendy looks. And this one is full base green shade with printed one. And this one is border portions, contrast color with printed border. And all over base butta pattern, temple butta pattern, printed one. And malmal cotton, very soft, summer friendly. This one is pallu portions, different printed highlighted pallu. And this one, full base part, very smart fresh looks. This one is border portion. And this one, full base part. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one is full base, very bright fresh and demanding also. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding daily looks. So in a very beautiful bright color combinations, malmal cotton with beautiful printed one, bright look, soft one. And this one, full base part, very smart, fresh, elegant looks, based for your office wear. This one, full base part, black base, contrast butta pattern, printed one. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color, lahariya pattern, printed, very trendy looks, based for your daily wear. This one, border portions, contrast color with highlighted printed border. And this one, full base, very smart, fresh, bright looks. And this one is running blouse piece, contrast printed running blouse piece. And this one, full base, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, very beautiful one, black base, smart printed one, and very smart look, soft one, summer friendly, and black base, malmal cotton, premium quality. And this one, full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is pallu portions, nice stripes pattern, diagonally stripes pattern, printed pallu. And this one, full base part and very soft one, summer friendly, smart looks. This portion is border portions, diagonally stripes. And this one is full base part, butta pattern, printed, all over printed. This one is malmal cotton with print. And this one is running blouse piece, very smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful floral printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks, trendy daily looks. And this one, very nice one, sivori printed one, sivori batni printed, and full hand process malmal cotton with beautiful sivori printed one, very nice looks, nice color combinations, and very demanding also. This one, full base part, very nice color combinations, malmal cotton with sivori dye printed one, and fully hand process. And this one, full base part, same pattern, sivori bajni printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and full base part, same printed, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart elegant looks. In the same material, beautiful printed one, based for your daily wear, very smart looks, and beautiful printed one, malmal cotton, premium quality with beautiful printed one, very smart fresh looks. This one, border portions, beautiful printed border. And this one is all over base, very trendy and fresh looks, malmal cotton with print, soft one, summer friendly, based for your daily wear. And this one, full base part. This one is pallu and same printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree, ikat printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one, very fresh and bright color combinations, fresh yellow shade, batik printed one, contrast border, and all over base is beautiful nice printed one, very trendy looks, fresh bright color combinations. This one, pallu portions, very nice printed one, beautiful printed pallu. And this one, full base part, very nice looks, this one is full base part. This portion is border portions, fresh yellow shade, malmal cotton with bright fresh looks. This one is border portions, beautiful printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part, very trendy one, fresh trendy look. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And today I have taped a beautiful saree, black base, khadi cotton, premium quality with heavy worked border, fully hand weaving design work border, floral motif, jamdani work and fully hand weaving design. And this one pallu portions, highlighted stripes, smart stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very trendy, fresh looks and beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want the same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.